We open our eyes and what do we see? Ecological ruin disguised as economic progress. The news tells us this is the cost of growth, but the earth is telling us otherwise. The storms are louder, the summers hotter, the future more uncertain. But the system we rely on to solve this crisis, our universities, is itself breaking. Design sits apart from science, business apart from ethics. We're taught to specialise, not synthesize. Rigid, hierarchical, and increasingly transactional, students passively follow prescriptive rubrics, chase grades, and rarely choose their own projects, leaving them ill-prepared for creative, real-world adaptation. Most mainstream institutions build silos so tall that even our brightest ideas fail to see one another. But around the world we are seeing new alternatives. MIT Media Lab's open experiments, Fab Lab Barcelona's collaborative prototyping, Rotterdam's TEDM Labs, ASU's transdisciplinary classrooms under Michael Crow. What if RMIT could lead this change in the global south? Buddhist activist Thich Nhat Hanh teaches us, the earth is more than just my environment, it is nothing less than myself. Climate action then is not just about rejecting rigid binaries, but also embracing hybridity. The Collaboration for Systems Change Minor, CSC, is our blueprint for transformation. Fashion students meet climate scientists. Business students join Indigenous knowledge holders. Urban designers co-create with engineers.
What if our garments could protect not only people, but animals and ecosystems too?
What if we design for impermanence, so buildings can adapt as the environment changes?
This vision is possible only when we start with empathy. We must move beyond the boundaries of our own species. This requires finding a new path to learn, a process of unveiling what is complex and hidden. This is learning guided by 4 principles to achieve RMIT's Master Plan 2045. Principle 1, remove the ego. The greatest barrier is the desire for individual credit. We deconstruct artificial boundaries with project outcomes that must be the result of interdisciplinary group work, assessed against collective success measures. Principle 2, probing the root cause. We teach students to look past the symptom of the issue. This means educating students to prioritize sufficiency provisioning over unlimited growth. Principle 3, embrace holistic technology. Championing Ursula Franklin's concept, we prioritize human input, curation, and contextual wisdom, rather than allowing a prescriptive system focused only on efficiency and technological solutions. Principle 4, design for adaptation. Applying the Buddhist principle of impermanence, or anicca as it's known, removes the inclination to cling to fixed solutions or specific technologies. Students must design solutions that foster adaptive capacity and are treated as experiments from which to learn, recognizing the importance of letting go of existing systems to allow new ones to emerge. The CSC brings together students from fashion and textiles, engineering, business and law, and architecture and urban design. Our tool for the course units is the Loom Lab, a digital physical collaborative platform that translates not just words but worlds. It is our shared workspace and living archive. It invites students to decolonize language, including nuanced, discipline-specific jargon by using AI tools like GPT, prototype speculative interventions using Blip Builder to visualize and better communicate their ideas, and focus on building affinity across disciplines using DeepL for real-time translation. The Loom Lab becomes a living experiment in understanding to help dissolve the boundary between human and nature. The Loom Lab could be the new face of the RMIT Makerspace in Brunswick, a hub where students, industry, and community co-design in real time, a place where experimentation is visible, collaboration is valued, and education is no longer passive but proactive. Imagine an RMIT Melbourne fashion student co-designing with a climate science student from RMIT Vietnam. Together, they create adaptive garments for heat waves or floods, solutions for both human and non-human life. The final capstone involves formalised multi-year partnerships with real-world industry partners, such as a state agency like Sustainability Victoria, an architecture firm like Simula, or a major retailer like Country Road Group. Through partnered projects, each idea is tested, applied, and reimagined. The CSC minor extends beyond RMIT into real places with real challenges. RMIT's Collaboration for Systems Change minor isn't about designing the next product. It's about designing the next paradigm, one that learns and grows with the world that we share.